Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to navigate the sections in Sage 50. Hi, I am Chuck. I will walk you through this training. This is the default screen of Sage 50. You can view all the topics on the left-hand panel. All these can be made a default screen by clicking the default button on the top. The major topical screens include customers and sales, vendors and purchases, inventory and services, employees and payroll, jobs, banking, payment center, services, system. Now, you can view all the messages and notifications in the inbox. You can change the system date. The system date is the default date taken by the system in Sage 50. It must be always within the period dates of the transactions. Otherwise, the default date of the transactions will be marked on the same date as of 1/1/1900. You can correct the system date by manually entering the date you wish. Click the Period Date button to open the Change Accounting Period screen. You can make the changes to the period dates here and click OK to implement the changes. The screens of Sage 50 show the screen divided into 4 distinct sections, which will always show the recent transactions in the form of a list as well as graphs. This is how you navigate the screens in Sage 50. For more such informative videos on Sage 50, subscribe to our channel and fill in the form in the link given below.